Hi, this is Chris Neitzer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the text editor. This is part one of a four-part series on the text editor, so in this video I'm going to be focusing on copying and pasting. So to get started, let's go ahead and click on the Open Edit Pages module. Then I'm going to choose a page to edit. I'm going to add my resume to the resume page for this demonstration. Now I'm going to drag the text editor down into my grid. This automatically opens up the text editor so you can start inputting your text. Now, like I said before, I'm going to be putting my resume onto this page. I've already got my resume open in Microsoft Word. I'm going to be copying and pasting my resume directly into the text editor. Before we do that, I'm going to explain a little bit about this process. A lot of programs that you might be copying and pasting from, oftentimes they have hidden code embedded into the text. This hidden code can cause formatting issues in the text editor and might cause your text to display funny on your main website. Because of this, all text that you paste into the text editor should be pasted into Microsoft Notepad or TextEdit if you're on a Mac before you paste it into the text editor. So I'm going to show you exactly how to strip the code out of the text. I've already got my resume open in Microsoft Word. And the first thing I want to do is highlight all of the text. And then I'm going to click on Edit and Copy to copy all of the text from this document. Now I'm going to bring up Text Edit because I'm on a Mac. And I'm just going to click Edit and paste the text directly into this document. So now all the extraneous Microsoft Word code has been stripped from this document. So I can again highlight all of my text and click Copy. Now back in the text editor, I'm ready to paste my code into the text editor. After you've pasted your code into the text editor, it's a good idea just to give your document a quick little scan just to make sure whatever program you've used to strip the extraneous code hasn't missed anything. For example, right here. This bullet should start at the same place as all the rest of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix that. There we go. So I'll click Update. And I'm going to preview the page to see how it looks on my website. And here's my resume displaying on my website. It looks pretty good, but maybe I want to change just a few things to make it look a little nicer. So back in the text editor, I'm going to apply a little bit of formatting to this text just to make it look a little better. Starting with my name. All of these buttons at the top are the available tools you have at your disposal in the text editor. If you want to know what any of them do, all you need to do is roll your cursor over the button and it will tell you exactly what it's called. So I want to make this text bold. I'll come up here to the bold B. And once I click on it, my text is now bold. Now maybe I want to make it a little bit larger too. I'm going to make it an 18-point font, just so people know who I am. Now, skill summary, maybe I want to make this underlined to show that it's a heading. And I'll make it bold too. Now if I want to add a little bit of color, let's say to my name again, I can come over here to the Select Text Color button. A drop-down shows me a list of commonly used colors, but if I don't see what I want here, I can always click More Colors, and I'll be able to choose exactly which color I want. I can also input the hex number for the color if I know it. Let's find a good color. How about that? I'll go ahead and click Apply, and the text coloring is applied to my text. I can also justify my text here as well. If I want to do that, I can highlight all the text, and I can click on any one of these 4 justification buttons. I'll go ahead and align my text to the center. Okay, so once I'm done, I can go ahead and click Update, and all of my text changes will be saved. In order to view it on the page though, you still have to save the page up here. And this is what the text looks like on my website. So that looks great. So that does it for part 1. In part 2, I'll be discussing inserting images into the text editor.